Hello and welcome to the proadvise GmbH channel. In our video series, everything revolves around the functionality and operation of proimporter. With the help of proimporter, you can easily, seamlessly, and losslessly perform imports from Primavera P6 and MS Project into Primavera P6. The powerful tool enables you to precisely customize XER and MPP files. Flexibly decide whether you want to modify, ignore, or recreate objects and data such as projects, activities, start and finish dates, WBS elements, calendars, or codes before the import. Due to the wide range of configuration options and functions for XER files, we divide this tutorial series for this format according to the different functional levels of proimporter. In this video, we will take a closer look at how you can make specific adjustments in the Project tab to easily and securely import your projects in XER format into Primavera P6. You can see the proimporter interface here. If you want to import a file into Primavera P6, you can simply click the Open File button in the top right corner. Alternatively, you can select the desired file via the context menu. While the file is being loaded into proimporter, the tool performs a query with the data records of the Primavera P6 database. This XER file contains two projects. First, let's take a look together at the activity count column. Here you can see the total number of activities in this project. For simplicity, we are using a project with only a few activities for this example, but you can also import very large files into proimporter without any issues. Projects with over 75,000 activities have already been imported successfully. The status column shows whether a project with this project ID already exists in the Primavera P6 database. If proimporter identifies, based on the project ID, that the project already exists in Primavera P6, the import action automatically switches to update. This allows you to easily and quickly update project progress in your P6 database while maintaining all external links. This is particularly important if you have linked additional schedules or, for example, a master schedule to the project and want to incorporate the updated data from the file into those schedules. However, if the tool detects that the project does not yet exist in Primavera P6, the import action is set to create. In this case, the project will be created during the import process. If an XER file contains multiple projects, you can mark the projects you do not wish to import into Primavera P6 with the Ignore Import action. These projects will not be transferred during the import. You can also rename or adjust the project ID here according to your needs. Please note that all manual changes in proimporter must always be confirmed with Enter, and that there is a maximum number of characters, which depends on your individual Primavera P6 configuration. By default, this is 20 characters, although it can be increased to up to 50 characters. By clicking on the arrow, the WBS structure beneath the project becomes visible. The individual WBS elements are thus clearly displayed, and you can decide at the WBS level which elements you want to import into Primavera P6. When performing a project update, you must ensure that the WBS codes are identical to those in Primavera P6. Otherwise, import errors and potential issues may occur. If baselines are associated with your project, they will also be displayed here. They are automatically recognized based on the naming convention and, unlike the standard XER import into Primavera P6, are automatically assigned as baselines by proimporter after the import. On the right-hand side, you can select the desired EPS node into which you want to import your project. A pop-up window opens, displaying the EPS structure of the connected Primavera P6 environment. You will only see the EPS nodes for which the respective user has write permissions. You can select your desired EPS node and assign it by clicking Submit for All. This was our brief insight into how you can use the Project tab in proimporter to optimally prepare your projects for a smooth import into Primavera P6. Feel free to watch the other videos in this playlist to learn how to work with the other tabs. If you don't want to miss an episode, feel free to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. And if you'd like to dive deeper right away, you'll find the link to our website and further information about proimporter in the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.